boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. This is bbno Money, Diamonds Are Forever. What a cool title. Sounds like it's from a Bond movie or something. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a track called Diamonds Are Forever. Maybe, I'm not sure. Anyway, obviously this is not a vocal tutorial in any way. This is how we play guitar. So yes, let's go into this one. Capo on second, absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have 3 chords. Let's go over them. We're gonna start with C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have the E minor. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so this is played in the same way through the entire song. And by the way, did I mention capo on second? Maybe I did. If not, if you don't have any capo, then skip that one, but use the same chords. That is what I suggest for you, because they are very simple to use. Anyway, let's go into this, and you're gonna work with that motion, okay? So 1 down on the higher strings, in this case the C, and you want to really get this open E string because that is kind of a melody going on there, and in between we have these chewings on the bass strings going on. So 1 string around, if you say that, is about 4 downs in total. The first one on the higher strings down here, and then you continue with another 3 downs on the bass strings. So it will be like this slowly. Alright, so you're gonna play 2 of these for C. So then shift to A minor, very easy transition. You just go down with the ring finger below the mid finger, and you have the A minor. You do the same here, 2 string rounds of that. And then you go to E minor and play, to start with, 3 rounds of the same. And then you keep that E minor, and you want to aim for 2 notes here. They are on the 1st fret B string, this one, and the 3rd fret B string. So what you do there, after the 3 string rounds, you play very pointy downs, but aiming for that B string, okay? And what I do here, I think I do that, is to play kind of maybe the D string, but at least the G string above that B, to really get some depth to that, not just a single note. You could play it, but it sounds better to have a little bit of depth to it. So I have the surrounding strings above it to get these 2 notes, and I do that with the index finger on the 1st fret B string and my little pinky on the 3rd fret B string around that E minor grip. All right, so I don't have to care about switching like this, or if I don't have if I get the D string, I have that already built in from the E minor, so I keep the grip there and I use my fingers around my grip to get the 2 notes, 1st fret B, 3rd fret B. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so slowly I'm gonna play 1 round for you. It goes like this. And if you speed up just a tad, it sounds like the original tempo, somewhere like this. Alright guys, so there you have it. bbno Money, Diamonds Are Forever. Thank you for watching, hope that helped, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.